Hello, this is Laura Duncan from CSMS. I am your child's 8th grade math teacher. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am the mother of 2 children. One is an 8th grader and one is at high school. So I understand your pain and what you're going through this year. One of the ways I can support you is offering my contact and getting back to you within 24 hours. So my email is lduncan@csisd.org. And you can also message me on Schoology. I respond to both. Well, how can I support you this year? We'll talk about organization, homework, tutorials, test corrections, Schoology, and Home Access Center. If you have any questions, please contact me. So first of all, I'd like to talk about the way we're organizing our math folders this year. We'll have a unit in the front pocket, and each time that we finish a unit, we will recycle that unit, except for the notes. If you don't want your child recycling their homework, then please have them take it out at home so that we can keep their folder nice and organized. Students will be completing homework this year almost every night. Each night they'll complete the assignment at home, and then they'll check the assignment using Schoology. It will look something like this, except for the work. So since we're giving them all the answers, we expect them to show their work on each assignment. After they check it, they can make corrections using a red pen, or they may attach a post-it note with the corrections. If they do these things, they'll receive a 100 on each homework assignment. So please make sure they are checking those things at home. After each assignment is done, we will have a completion check the next day. Then periodically during the unit, we will roll a die and we'll pick up the homework for the unit. We'll do that a couple of times during the unit, and that's the one that I will check for accuracy. So we have a completion check, and we'll roll for the accuracy checks that we'll be doing each unit. I offer a lot of opportunities for tutorials. I'm open every morning, and then Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday afternoons. When they come in to tutorials, they are allowed to ask me questions about homework, but we may also perform test corrections. Test corrections will be made if students make less than a 70. They'll come before school or after school to make those test corrections, but they must be done before the due date because we'll be on to the next unit. For the Schoology resources this year, we have a video, notes, a notes key, an assignment, and an assignment key for each lesson. This is a great way for students who are absent to keep up with their work. Or if students miss or place an assignment, they can print another one out and turn it in later. Also, this is a safe way to message your teachers. So students have a safe way to message teachers through Schoology, and we get those notifications regularly. Another resource for you is Home Access Center. I do not always message parents whose children have not turned in their assignments. So please check Home Access Center daily, and you'll be able to see if your child has missed turning in an assignment. Sometimes by the time you see it, it's too late to turn it in. One last thing before we go for the evening. If you want access to a calculator at home and you have an Android phone, you can download Wabbit Emu right here. That's the one you'll get. It's not perfect, but it's better than nothing sometimes. Next, I'll talk about iPhones. If you have an iPhone, the best one that we have found is Calculate 84. It's a free download also. And again, this is not perfect, but it's better than nothing. That concludes this presentation. Please contact me if you have questions or concerns, and I wish you a good night.